The Swdtp is a partnership across 5 universities. That's the University of Bristol, the University of Bath, the University of Exeter, University of Plymouth and UWE Bristol. And our role is both to fund and to support PhD students in social sciences.
Where the magic of a PhD happens is in the cohorts and communities that the doctoral candidates are connected to, and the Southwest Doctoral Training Partnership's been really key in terms of building cohorts of social science students. It's a great opportunity for us at UWE to hold the Swdtp conference this year.
There's really great energy around. It's really interesting hearing little snippets of conversations people are having.
So this is my first conference, so I'm really excited. It's really great to meet some of the good friends, some of the good colleagues from across these 5 partners universities.
In 2019, we worked together on the Swdtp Student Conference, and from that decided that we wanted to run our own conference about research ethics, kind of interdisciplinary research ethics.
So we're here today to visualise the Research Ethics Association and sharing it at events and conferences, and so we thought we'll go back to the place that started it all.
We're hoping to hold our biannual conferences yearly, which are international conferences bringing people together across the world to talk about everything to do with research ethics. The other thing that we're trying to do is to create special interest groups, and the biggest task we've got ahead of us is to create something called the Research Ethics Journal. So none of this would have been possible without the Swdtp and the Swdtp team that have helped us with everything to do with our Research Ethics Association, including the cohort funding that they generously gave us.
I was able to apply for the Overseas Fieldwork Allowance. It meant that I was able to go to 6 cities across Europe to interview policymakers. I did not think that it would be possible to do that without the funding from the Doctoral Training Partnership.
I think academia can be quite a lonely space, it can be quite isolating, but I think one of the key benefits of this conference is really to create a space of a community.
As a student, it's really important for me to participate in such events and to collaborate with others and to present and let others know what I'm writing about and what I'm doing.
It's kind of a physical space where we can all gather, so the collaborative nature of the conference is really beneficial.
The Swdtp Conference is a conference organised by students for students. One of the importance of this event is to bring people together, to get them to meet other people who are doing research, perhaps not in the same field, but similar fields, so they can share and exchange knowledge, which is, of course, precisely what a university and indeed the social sciences is all about.